What is up guys, it's Black Mogority, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you the best colorblind mode for Fortnite Chapter 3 Season 2. Okay. I hope you've noticed that this season has a lot of colors, and I'm just going to show you a simple trick on how to boost that colors and the way your game looks. So apparently I'm on Europe servers and it's not looking good, bruh.
To recover from. And so we don't have the capacity.
We need some milk.
We don't care.
So guys, without wasting any time, let's get into the video, and I hope you smash that like button and subscribe, and let's go. So guys, to start off with this tutorial, you want to go to your settings and you want to go to the screen right here, and as you can scroll down, you're going to see graphics and brightness. Just reduce that to 50%. Colorblind mode, just change that to Tritonope, and change this to 10 right here, and just want to apply all of that. Escape, and as you can see, my game is colorful, and yeah, my game looked ashy at first, as you could have tell from the freaking bro. What the
cut the cameras.
As you could tell from my lobby intro, whatever it's so called, yeah, my game looked ashy as hell. But now we have a good game, so I'm gonna hop into Battle Lab and I'm going to show you how the game looks, and oh my gosh, you just have to see it for yourself. Okay.
Whole lot of gang. Bow, grow, flip, slick, hold up, slick, blood, baby, this the blood, I don't use my head, I let the blood, these are match to make you blood, I can mix it in the nigga, hit the grip, I'ma let my hip tuck, put a quarter in the dick, you gotta clip, y'all, beat, ooh, and the clip is CEE too, what all do you want from me, ARs and them 223, fucking around with me, you see I'm hot, I'm 500 degrees, heard he caught a body, but that does not mean shit to me, got two on me, plug and yes, who on me, detrimental, me and Glock all on your instrumental, I kill a nigga and it really one coincidental, stop all that fake shit, you just be on that extra with no back shit, and I ain't on no rap shit, no looking bitch, you know it ain't no looking bitch, I check in the plug, thinking like, hey man, what's cracking bitch, I'm 2 floors up on you, I'm 2 floors up on you.